ghost is almost like space and time because of a horrible incident.
Get ready to have your mind blown as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos with the release of 10 spine-chilling photographs from NASA. It's important to be prepared for what you're about to witness, as it's not something to be taken lightly. These captivating images showcase awe-inspiring celestial events and stunning nebulae that will leave you questioning your perception of the universe and sending shivers down your spine. Occasionally, the universe seems to gaze back at you as you contemplate its vastness. Prepare yourself for an awe-inspiring journey as we delve into the depths of space with NASA's 10 most spine-chilling photographs. Number 10. The Screaming Skull. Uh-oh. This haunting image in space seems to depict a face in distress, as it is consumed by flames and slowly fades away. Situated within the expansive constellation of Perseus, this enigmatic celestial creature conceals a multitude of mysteries beneath its surface. This enigmatic phenomenon, known as the Screaming Skull and shrouded in secrecy among the scientific community, is sure to send shivers down the spine of any avid stargazer. However, in reality it presents itself as a tranquil collection of galaxies, a mesmerizing performance of stars. This photo was created without any harm done to real skulls. This image showcases the Perseus cluster, a captivating collection of galaxies. Curious radio waves appear to be coming from the cluster, creating an eerie sensation of distress upon first observation. Perhaps the Screaming Skull holds a deeper meaning. Perhaps it hints at unfathomable cosmic terrors in a different realm, beckoning us to confront the unfamiliar. The Perseus cluster tests are a fascinating exploration of cosmic knowledge.
Number 9. Paranormal entities from beyond our world. Prepare yourself for another spine-chilling encounter with the otherworldly inhabitants of the vast expanse beyond our planet. These mysterious apparitions, enveloped in otherworldly gas and dust, are familiar to the intrepid adventurers of the cosmos as celestial specters. Witness the awe-inspiring magnificence of SH2136, a cosmic resting place that evokes a sense of wonder in astronomers and stargazers alike. The spectral apparitions are etched into the fabric of space, serving as a haunting testament to the immense power unleashed by the cosmic forces. These ethereal forms are born from the intense radiation and powerful stellar winds emitted by colossal stars residing within the nebula. The ethereal specters of Sage 2, 1, 3, and 6 glide gracefully through the vast expanse of the cosmos, forever entwined in a mesmerizing celestial ballet. As they glide through the vast expanse of the cosmos, their ethereal presence appears to lure unsuspecting adventurers into the mysterious depths where the fabric of reality warps and twists. This illuminated dark nebula can be found about 1,200 light-years away in the direction of the constellation Cepheus.
Number 8. Monster Mash from outer space is an incredibly eerie phenomenon. The skull floating in the vastness of space is a haunting sight, hidden within the dark depths where darkness reigns supreme. This long-gone space traveler is adorned with the insignia of a grinning skull, its hollow eye sockets seemingly peering into the depths of anyone daring enough to meet its gaze. The form it assumes is that of a grinning skull. It's a terrifying creature crafted from the darkest depths of imagination. This spooky skeleton figure glides through the vastness of space, casting an eerie glow from the distant stars. It exudes a haunting presence, casting a chilling red glow that evokes thoughts of malevolent entities. The enigmatic secrets of the universe are concealed beneath the eerie exterior of the skull. How did this skull end up in space? This is a radar photograph of the asteroid 2015 terabytes 145, which NASA believes to be a dead comet. The image was captured at Puerto Rico's Arecibo Observatory. Number 7. The universe is filled with darkness as the ghostly hand of God reaches out. Some of the visible objects seem like they could produce sounds if space waves carried them, alongside the mysterious dark matter and dark energy. As a nod to the current season, NASA has released an image of a rather eerie nebula known as the Hand of God, thanks to its resemblance to a skeletal finger. The nebula, scientifically known as MSH 15 Dust 52 or PSRB1, 15.0.9.58, came into existence 1,600 years ago as a result of a powerful supernova explosion that obliterated a pulsar star. There is an incredible release of wind in matter and antimatter jets from the poles of the neutron star as it spins rapidly. The wind is carrying debris from before and after a supernova. The impression is created that the pulsar is situated at the base of the palm. The wind is creating a captivating scene with a flowing forearm and glowing fingers moving in opposite directions. Although X-ray telescopes have historically focused on imaging MSH 1552, NASA's choice to allocate 17 days of the imaging X-ray polarimetry explorer's time to the nebula was not influenced by its haunting appearance. This project has received a significant amount of attention and resources from the imaging X-ray polarimetry explorer's team for an extended duration. The image was generated by merging this data with observations captured by the Chandra X-ray telescope. Romani, Wong, and colleagues explain that the absence of polarization in the brightest jet, known as the wrist of the hand, is due to the presence of entangled magnetic fields in a turbulent zone. The base of the wrist jet is somewhat challenging to observe as it appears to be angled in relation to the surrounding nebula, making it difficult to determine its polarization. As the jet moves away from the pulsar, the field lines become increasingly parallel, and the polarization becomes more pronounced. Researchers have found that particles tend to be propelled in turbulent environments and subsequently transported to regions with a more consistent field. Since its launch in 2021, the Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer has been dedicated to studying newly formed pulsars in our galaxy. Some of the fascinating celestial objects captured in the video are the Crab Nebula, which took shape a millennium ago, and the Vela Nebulae, which have been evolving for over 11,000 years. According to the findings of the Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer, it has been concluded by the team that these wind nebulae are more common than previously believed, as they all exhibit similar magnetic fields. Believe it or not, it's not a mirage. There is a slight absence of a pinky finger. Maybe something even scarier is cutting off space fingers. When observing this haunting celestial apparition, it's impossible not to feel insignificant in the vastness of the universe. Are humans merely vessels for otherworldly entities, caught in the never-ending cycle of life and death? The awe-inspiring specter of the divine hand serves as a cautionary reminder that within the boundless expanse of the cosmos, humanity is poised to encounter both extraordinary and unsettling revelations.
Number 6. The Cosmic Keyhole. It's a rare opportunity to witness a glimpse into the vastness of the cosmos, and Hubble unknowingly captured this extraordinary sight. An intriguing depiction of the swirling gas and dust cloud, NGC 1999, was unveiled on October 24th in a fresh image of the nebula, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope and shared jointly by NASA and the European Space Agency. The central nebula, V380 Orion, is a fascinating remnant of a star's creation, as mentioned in the accompanying ESA statement. The photo showcases a truly unique characteristic: a dark void at the center of the nebula, resembling the shape of a keyhole. Back in 1999, when Hubble captured the first image of the nebula, scientists initially thought that the dark central region was a Bach globule. These globules are dense clouds of gas, dust, and other molecules that prevent any light from passing through. After further observations of the nebula, astronomers discovered that the dark region was, in fact, empty space. Currently, the source of this keyhole feature remains a mystery. The nebula is illuminated by the newborn star, V380 Orion, and it consists of the leftover material from the star's formation. The star has a white color due to the intense heat of its surface, which is approximately 18,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or twice the temperature of the sun. It is estimated to be 3.5 times the mass of a typical star. This nebula is situated near the Orion Nebula, which can be found approximately 1.15 light-years away in a vibrant star-forming area of the Milky Way. Additionally, it is well known for being located near the first Herbig Hero object ever found, just outside of the image frame.
Space agencies have reported that Herbig-Hero objects are jets of ionized gas that are emitted from young stars and have a relatively short lifespan.
Number 5. The Halloween Asteroid. On Halloween 2015, a significant asteroid named 2015 terabytes 145 came remarkably close to Earth, passing at a distance of only 303,229 miles. To put it in perspective, this is approximately 62,137 miles farther away than the Moon. For the purpose of creating a video, astronomers utilized the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, the DSS-14 antenna in Goldstone, California, and the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia to capture radar waves bouncing off the asteroid's surface and recreate its visual representation. During the course of their observations, scientists were captivated as they witnessed a celestial body, measuring 1968 feet wide, dramatically rotate to directly face us, resembling a skull-like appearance. The Halloween asteroid got its name due to its unique nature. There is a possibility that this comet may not be alive after all. Comets are fascinating celestial bodies composed of ice, dust, gas, and rock, remnants from the early days of our solar system. When a comet approaches the sun, it releases streams of gas and dust, creating a cloud called the coma, along with two tails, one composed of dust and the other of ionized gas. With each passing orbit, the comet gradually depletes its reserves of ice, gas, and dust. If this pattern continues, it may eventually exhaust these valuable resources. What remains is a rocky remnant that could potentially be the original nucleus from which the comet was formed in the distant past. Now, asteroid 2015, Tabun 45, is certainly not the exoskeleton of a massive cosmic creature, regardless of its appearance. The uneven surface of the asteroid is adorned with darkened craters and pits, which can sometimes create an intriguing illusion of a face, thanks to our human tendency to perceive patterns. Number 4. The Witchhead Nebula is known for its striking resemblance to the face of a supernatural being, adding an air of mystique to its name. Observing nebulae in space is akin to gazing at drifting cloud formations and discerning familiar shapes within them. This ethereal apparition, located in the constellation of Orion, bears a striking resemblance to the profile of a malevolent sorceress. It seems like a chilling masterpiece, an otherworldly celestial being sculpted from the depths of space. The underbelly of the creature features a pointed chin and nose, while its source of illumination is the star Rigel. The Witchhead Nebula, enveloped in the dark expanse of interstellar space, presents a haunting depiction of celestial enchantment. The ethereal manifestation emerges as a result of the delicate dance between gaseous particles and fine dust, shaped by the ceaseless powers of the universe. The mesmerizing beauty of this scene captivates anyone who lays their eyes upon it. If you gaze at it for an extended period, it may enchant you with its cosmic magic. The Witchhead Nebula holds a captivating allure, as it serves as a cosmic stage for the birth and demise of stars. This enigmatic phenomenon satiates the nebula's insatiable hunger for spectral energy. Number 3. A mysterious celestial object known for its unnerving intensity watches over the universe from the depths of the cosmos. This nebula, known as Fomalhaut, bears a striking resemblance to the iconic Eye of Sauron from the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Its eerie shape is truly captivating. In Tolkien's books, the eye is depicted as having a fiery rim and a crimson iris that exudes an otherworldly malevolence beyond scientific comprehension. The dark void within the pupil revealed a seemingly endless abyss, as if it were a portal to emptiness. It feels like an ancient and malevolent intelligence has awoken, exploring the vast cosmic tapestry with a curiosity that is almost terrifying. With an unsettling stare, it delves into the depths of the cosmos, unraveling the essence of existence. We captured it in breathtaking detail with our most sophisticated space telescopes. There is no denying that the ever-watchful Eye of Sauron compels us to delve deeper into the enigmatic realms of the universe. Number 2. Exploring the mysterious doorway on Mars. Who's there? What could bring our science fiction dreams to life?
Compelling evidence suggests the existence of extraterrestrial life on Mars, including intriguing discoveries of unique organisms and signs of a possible underground civilization. The NASA Curiosity rover recently captured an image of a fascinating rock formation on Mars, which has ignited a wave of entertaining speculation. Looking down from above, the small crater in the rock catches our attention. It is surrounded by other fissures and erosion patterns, creating the illusion of an elusive underground tunnel entrance. The images captured from Mars can be quite astonishing. Take, for instance, the fascinating sight of a rock that has been uniquely shaped by erosion, resembling a fish. Or imagine standing behind a clifflet and seeing it resemble a face. Even the tiniest details can appear magnified and up close, like images that have been cropped. Had the shadows fallen at a different angle, the doorway might have gone unnoticed. Rest assured, the thrill of uncovering extraordinary rock formations and unique landscape features on Mars remains undiminished. We should definitely appreciate the beauty of butt cracks, zen gardens, and quirky arches.
Number 1. The face of Mars. Although there is no evidence of life beyond Earth, NASA discovered a haunting human-like face on Mars, etched into the Martian landscape. This creation is a haunting work of art that challenges reason and evokes a sense of dread. Imagine an empty Martian landscape stretching as far as the eye can see, with endless crimson dunes. An immense face, shaped by the forces of the universe's chaotic nature, emerges in the midst of this eerie calm. The face on Mars possesses a rather ominous and otherworldly countenance, seemingly evoking the darkest corners of our fears and apprehensions. Anyone brave enough to gaze into its vacant, soulless eyes will find their very essence stolen away. The unusual balance of the face is both captivating and unsettling. It seems to be ridiculing humanity's lack of importance in the vastness of the universe, with its grotesque smile frozen in a sinister grin forever. I wonder what malevolent power crafted this monument of cosmic horror. Could it have been crafted by a mysterious civilization that vanished into the depths of history? Or did it offer proof of eldritch forces that were ready to engulf our planet beneath the Martian surface?
Based on scientific findings, this face is merely a result of light and shadow manipulation caused by geological processes and natural erosion. In a groundbreaking moment on July 25, 1976, NASA's Viking 1 orbiter managed to capture an extraordinary photograph of what appeared to be a face on Mars. Despite NASA's explanation that the face is simply a peculiar arrangement of rocks, it remains quite unsettling. The Black Widow Nebula deserves special recognition. We've come across an enormous red space spider that happens to be the largest black widow we've ever encountered. There's no cause for concern, as it poses no harm. A massive black widow in the Milky Way is currently reproducing and emitting powerful radiation in its vicinity. The Black Widow Nebula is a captivating formation of dust, gas, and stars situated approximately 10,000 light-years away from our planet, gracefully suspended just above the galactic plane. The nebula is nearly undetectable at optical wavelengths due to the presence of dust surrounding it, which is formed by the galaxy's disk. Nevertheless, the infrared array camera on NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope enabled it to penetrate the smog. The center of the nebula is a hub of activity, with new stars taking shape and wispy streams of dust flowing outwards like delicate spider legs. In fact, the radiation and other particles emitted by these troublesome children are causing two bubbles to move in opposite directions, moving away from each other. Essentially, they are compromising their genetic composition. The Black Widow Nebula was captured by the Glimpse spacecraft during its remarkable Galactic Legacy infrared midplane survey. Another sunspot that is quite terrifying is the gaping mauve one. The sun's surface undergoes constant changes due to its dynamic features such as filaments, holes, and flares. Picture a fissure that devours light, a swirling vortex of darkness. Sunspots are incredibly large, often spanning tens of thousands of miles, yet they seem minuscule when compared to the immense size of the sun. Nonetheless, it is the inherent characteristics of these creatures, rather than their physical dimensions, that instill fear within us. The intense magnetic activity generates magnetic fields of such strength that they disturb the sun's usual convection, leading to the formation of these awe-inspiring voids in the solar blaze. Sunspots appear as dark gaps in the sea of plasma, serving as entrances into our star. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections are intense cosmic storms that have the potential to cause damage to satellites, disrupt our technological infrastructure, and pose risks to human lives in space. They are formed in sunspots, which are areas of intense activity that can release dangerous radiation and charged particles hurtling towards our planet. Despite the sun's appearance as a blazing inferno, the presence of a sunspot serves as a stark reminder that even seemingly tranquil celestial bodies can harbor enigmatic secrets, poised to unleash cosmic retribution. This stunning close-up image captures a breathtaking sunspot captured back in 2010 by the powerful telescope at the renowned Big Bear Solar Observatory. When you catch a glimpse of its wide, menacing grin, it's hard not to be reminded of the Sarlacc pit from Star Wars. Rest assured, the Earth will remain unharmed by the sunspot. It's fascinating to imagine these mysterious cosmic landscapes, but there is so much more in the universe that can fill us with awe and curiosity. Through the process of decoding visual content, we can uncover insights into fundamental inquiries about our existence, like the purpose behind our presence. Is there anyone else with us?
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Deep Discoveries. While you're still here, don't forget to click on the video playing on your screen to explore more fascinating content about space.